Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another lesson. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy to see you again. How are you today, David?
Well, Alice, to be honest, I am a little bit tired today.
Oh no. So why are you tired? Did you sleep late?
Actually, I was thinking about our lesson today. I woke up very early. Today, we are talking about daily routines.
Oh, daily routines. That is a perfect topic. A routine is what you do every day. It is your normal life.
Exactly. You know what? If you learn how to talk about your day, you can talk to anyone in English.
Yes, it is very useful. But before we start our morning, we have a small favor.
If you like our videos, please click the like button. It helps our channel grow.
And subscribe. Join our family so you never miss a lesson. Okay, David, let's start at the beginning, the morning.
Okay, the first thing I do is wake up. Actually, the first thing I do is hear my alarm. Beep, beep, beep.
I hate that sound. So you wake up. Let's repeat that slowly for everyone. I wake up. I wake up.
After I wake up, I get up. Alice, is there a difference between wake up and get up?
Oh, that is a good question. Wake up means your eyes are open, you are not sleeping. But get up means you leave the bed, you stand up.
Ah, to be honest, I wake up at 6 a.m., but I get up at 6:30 a.m. I like to stay in bed and look at my phone.
Me too. It is so comfortable. So everyone, repeat after me. I get up. I get up.
Okay, now I'm out of bed. I go to the bathroom. The first thing I do is wash my face. It helps me feel awake.
That's smart. I wash my face with cold water. It's very cold, but it works. What do you do next, David?
Next, I brush my teeth. This is very important.
Yes, very important. Nobody wants smelly breath. Let's practice that. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
After that, I take a shower. I love a hot shower in the morning.
Oh, I prefer taking a shower at night. In the morning, I just brush my hair.
Well, I don't have much hair to brush, Alice.
That's true. After the bathroom, I get dressed. This means I put on my clothes.
I get dressed. That is a great phrase. Let's repeat. I get dressed. I get dressed. Now I'm dressed. I am clean. Now I am hungry. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast.
Actually, I was thinking, David, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
To be honest, I usually have eggs and toast. And the most important thing, coffee. I must have coffee.
You are a coffee monster. Actually, I prefer tea. I drink tea and I eat cereal.
Eat breakfast or have breakfast. You can say both. Let's practice. I have breakfast. I have breakfast.
And don't forget the coffee. I drink coffee. I drink coffee.
Alice, do you read the news while you eat?
No, actually, I like to listen to music. It makes me feel happy before I start work.
That's a nice routine. After I finish my coffee, I check my emails. I look at my phone or my computer.
Oh, checking emails is the start of work. It makes me a little stressed.
Okay, breakfast is finished. Now I have to leave the house.
Do you drive to work, David?
No, to be honest, I hate driving in traffic. I take the bus.
Take the bus or take the train. I walk to work because my office is very near.
You are lucky. Let's practice these. I take the bus.
I walk to work.
I drive my car.
What time do you start work, David?
I start work at 9 a.m., but I usually arrive at 8:50 a.m. so I can talk to my friends.
You know what? I start at 9 a.m. too. From 9 to 1, I am very busy. I talk on the phone and I write reports.
I am busy. That means you have a lot of work. At 1 p.m., it is my favorite time of the day.
Let me guess. Lunchtime?
Yes, I have lunch with my colleagues. We go to a small cafe near the office.
Actually, I bring my lunch from home. I eat a sandwich at my desk.
I have lunch. Let's repeat. I have lunch. I have lunch. After lunch, I feel a little sleepy. Do you feel that, Alice?
Oh, yes. Around 3 p.m., I need another cup of tea.
To be honest, I sometimes take a very short break. I walk outside for 5 minutes to get some fresh air.
That is a good idea. Then I work until 5 p.m. At 5 p.m., I finish work.
I finish work, or I leave work. Let's practice. I finish work at 5. I finish work at 5.
After work, I go shopping. No, not for shoes. I go to the supermarket to buy food for dinner.
Ah, grocery shopping. I usually go to the gym after work. I like to exercise to stay healthy.
Wow, David, you are very active. After the gym, do you go home?
Yes, I get home around 7 p.m. I am usually very tired by then.
I get home. Let's repeat. I get home. I get home.
Now I'm home. I take off my shoes. Much better.
I love taking off my shoes. Next, I cook dinner. Tonight, I am making pasta.
Pasta. That sounds delicious. To be honest, I am a bad cook. I usually eat something simple, like a salad or a sandwich.
Oh, David, you should learn to cook. It is fun. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I don't like it, but I have to do it.
Nobody likes washing the dishes. After the kitchen is clean, I relax on the sofa.
You know what? That is my favorite part of the evening. After dinner, I watch TV or I read a book.
I like to watch Netflix. Sometimes I watch 3 episodes of a show.
That is called binge watching, David. Let's practice these evening words. I cook dinner.
I watch TV.
I read a book.
Okay, it is 10 p.m. I am yawning. Yawn.
Me too. It is time to get ready for bed.
First, I lock the door. Safety first.
Then I put on my pajamas. After that, I brush my teeth again.
I set my alarm for the next morning. Beep, beep.
And then the best part, I go to bed. I lay down on my soft pillow.
I go to bed. Let's repeat. I go to bed. I go to bed.
And finally, I fall asleep.
I fall asleep. This means you start sleeping. To be honest, I fall asleep very fast because I work hard.
Good night, David.
Good night, Alice. Wait, we're not finished yet. We have the practice section.
Oh, you're right. I almost fell asleep. Okay, everyone, this is the shadowing section.
We will say 10 phrases about a daily routine. We will say them slowly. Please repeat after us.
Turn on your daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
I always brush my teeth after breakfast.
I take a hot shower to relax.
I drive to work, but there is a lot of traffic.
I have a short break for lunch at noon.
I finish work at 5 and go to the gym.
I cook a healthy dinner for my family.
I watch the news on TV in the evening.
I read a few pages of my book before bed.
I set my alarm and go to sleep at 11.
Wow, you did a great job today. Talking about your day is the best way to practice English.
Exactly. Actually, I was thinking our routines are all different. Some people wake up early, some people wake up late.
That is true. To our listeners, you are doing something great. By listening to this, you are making English part of your daily routine.
That is so important. If you practice every day, even for 10 minutes, you will become confident. We believe in you.
Yes, we are your English friends and we are here to help. Before we go, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up? And do you drink coffee or tea?
We love reading your comments. They make us so happy. And if you haven't yet, please share this video with one friend.
Thank you for practicing with Horizon English today. I'm David.
And I'm Alice. Have a wonderful day and a great routine.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.